Yeah. No, I figured, I invested in ESS a long time ago. I wanted to actually see it in action, and it was definitely worth the trip. It was very cool to see such a large facility that keeps expanding and expanding, and has so many hundreds of employees, and from that idea so long ago, and in such a needed area. Yeah, back when I first invested, I had no idea like what battery technologies were going to be the winners, or I just knew that we needed big storage and we probably needed a bunch of different options. And to see it actually make it all the way through to an IPO was really exciting, because they're really scaling up what they're doing and making it real, So it was very cool.
What are the top 2 or 3 kind of highlights of either things you saw or things you learned today?
I thought it was great that they have so many, like they said, I think 50% of their orders are international, and they were sending their energy warehouses and energy storage units, I think they called them, to Italy and Chile and the Canary Islands, and it just sort of makes it real, about thinking about these real places that are able to operate their microgrids and get off of fossil fuels and really help the transition that we need to see. So that was very cool. And also just the ability to see what was happening there with the robotic arms, and how they were assembling things. And I also really enjoyed seeing the evolution of the batteries, and like their very first prototype, and then the way that they were stacking things, and then reducing weight and labor costs, and able to really get the power of the batteries up a lot. So that was really cool to see in a short period of time how much progress they could make on those fronts. So yeah, it was very cool. I really like, it's so real, and it's like real to be there and to see it happening, but it's also so tangible in terms of here is this big battery going out in the world to do something good. It's really nice. Sometimes the policy plays are harder to always see the impacts, and this feels really tangible and a good